In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Elementor. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Elementor option in the main menu. When you find it, hover your mouse over it and choose the editor option that appears. This will open up the Elementor interface. Once that loads, look toward the top left and click on Edit Site. That will take you into the main visual editor where you can start building or editing your page. Inside the Elementor editor, you'll see a panel on the left that contains all of your available widgets. This is where you normally grab things like headings, images, and buttons. To create a table, we're going to use the HTML widget. Scroll or search until you find the HTML widget, then click and drag it onto your page where you want the table to appear. As soon as you drop it, the left panel will reload and show a large field where you can paste or type HTML code. In that HTML code field, paste the same table code that I'm using in this tutorial. You can pause this video and check the description box, where you'll find a link to the exact code so you don't have to write it from scratch. Once you paste the code, Elementor will instantly render it, and you should now see a table appear on your page preview. From here, you can fully customize the table. In the code, you'll notice values for things like width, border, padding, alignment, and background color. These are all editable, so just look for the placeholders or existing values and change them to match your design. For example, you might adjust the width to make the table full width, or tweak the padding to add more space inside each cell. If you want to add a new row, find an existing table row in the code, which is wrapped in a pair of TR tags. Simply copy everything from the opening TR tag to the closing TR tag and paste it directly below to create a duplicate row. To remove a row, delete that entire TR block. For columns, the idea is similar, but you need to be consistent across every row. To add a column, you must add a new table cell in each row, so that every row has the same number of cells. To remove a column, delete the corresponding cell from every row. Once you're happy with how the table looks, go to the top right of the editor. Click Publish to make your changes live, or click the small downward pointing arrow next to it if you prefer to save your work as a draft first.